This is Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. Today we're doing a little front yard beautification project. We've got these ugly electrical boxes out front of the house, and what we plan to do is put in some plants that might hide those a little bit and dress the front yard up a little bit. So I've already got started. I've found a source for our landscape sprinkler system. There was a sprinkler there, so I put in a T-fitting and hooked a pipe there that we're going to be able to use to run some water to these plants, and we use a bubbler system. You'll see that as we go. I've also got 2 of these grass plants that we're going to put on either end, and we've got 3 Penta plants, flowering plants here, that I already put in the ground last night to get started. I've defined the perimeter of our landscaping, and we need to do some more dirt removal here. And then we'll be ready to put down our landscape fabric, our edging, and then I picked up some black mulch to match the rest of our landscaping. And we'll be doing that today. So why don't you follow along and see how we put together a pretty simple beautification project. And the really neat part of this project is we've only got about $100 in the whole project. The plants were on sale and ran about $10 or $12 a piece. You can pick up a quarter ton of black mulch here at a local yard stop supply. So we did that, and then all we needed was some landscape fabric and edging. So follow along. This is Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. Well, we finished our project. We've got our plants planted, our sprinkler system's plumbed in, and we've shoveled in a load of black mulch to pretty it up. And I think we've done a pretty good job. If you like our videos, be sure to like and subscribe and share them with your friends, and we'll try to keep those videos coming. We'll see you next time.